In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot login issues effectively. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're just trying to access your favorite platform and are met with unexpected hurdles. So let's walk through some simple yet effective steps to ensure a smooth login process. First, let's review your login method. Consistency is key here. If you typically log in using Google, Microsoft, or Apple, make sure to stick with that same method each time you access your account. Switching between different login methods for the same account can sometimes confuse the system, leading to access issues, so keep it simple and use the method you know works best for you. Next, it's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, your browser accumulates a lot of data, which can sometimes interfere with how websites function. Head over to your browser settings, find the section for clearing cache and cookies, and give your browser a fresh start. Once you've done that, log out of any active sessions of ChatGPT and log back in. This process helps eliminate those pesky cached sessions that have the potential to trigger errors, ensuring nothing stands in the way of proper login. If you use a VPN or a proxy, this step is crucial. VPNs can provide excellent security and privacy, but sometimes they also cause websites to view your login attempts as unusual activity. To mitigate this, try logging in without a VPN or switch to a residential IP address. This can often help the system recognize your login as coming from a familiar environment, smoothing out any issues you might encounter. The last point involves considering the network and device you're using. Always aim to log in from a trusted, stable network like your home or workplace. Public Wi-Fi networks can be unpredictable and sometimes less secure, which can also lead to complications in accessing your account. Similarly, trying to log in from too many new devices at once might raise flags in the system. Therefore, sticking to a familiar device and network can make the process much hassle-free. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any login problems you're facing. I hope this guide makes your login experience as seamless as possible and gets you back to using your favorite platform without any extra stress. Remember, a few straightforward adjustments in your routine can often solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any further questions or need more guidance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to help you out. Until next time, happy browsing!